boat, the camera died pretty early on to the actual working on the boat. I know this entire... I don't know if I included in that boat one. There's the other go play that just set me off. And it's almost draining out now, but you can see that. Whenever... I hope my mom's not watching. Alright guys, well, pretty soon I gotta go take a COVID test. I just wanted to film this and fill you guys in. Regarding the boat, the camera died pretty early on to the actual working on the boat. I know this entire second video is mostly just me screwing around, us having a good time, but that is a lot of what working on the boat is, and hey, if you're not laughing and having a good time, what are you doing? So, I just want to give you guys an update, because part 3 is going to be a little jump, because it died. I'm going to try and edit the video right here.
She's rotating real well. It's going, man.
Buy a boat, they said.
Bust out another 1,000.
Beat the Pistons with a block of wood, they said.
I still think.
Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, there's been a lot of dumb moments this week, but this, I mean, it technically wasn't this week, but this one sucked, because that tarp ripped, all the water got basically into there, and I just opened it to let it go quicker, because it was pissing me off. And it's almost draining out now, but you can see this was all completely full of water. So, I don't know if this motor's gonna be salvageable. I'm gonna try. Just sucks. Just sucks. But alright. I'm gonna I got a stick. I picked it up. Don't even ask me how I picked it up and wedged the stick under. But I'm gonna reposition it, get it a little higher. Hopefully it doesn't snap. It's probably gonna snap, because that's the way things are going. And then I guess I'm just gonna do what I can, but I gotta figure out how to get this motor drained, because the motor is still completely full. So yeah, and now I gotta decide. I should probably just text the guy, go pick up that motor tomorrow, but I don't know. I do not know, and I don't want to buy well, I was gonna say I don't want to buy a motor if I don't need it, but this one's been sitting for at least a week now, probably, with water in it. I don't know. I'm gonna get it drained, get it off the stick. I'll go back through it, and I will let you guys know as soon as I know, but something tells me I'm gonna be probably picking up that motor this weekend. I just hope he's around tomorrow, or I'm around. I gotta get going so I can do things. All right, guys. See you soon. All right, guys. So I don't think I recorded, but mostly, sorry, I'm just peeling my clear coat off. I looked in the boat. It seems like what was in the motor is the PB Blast and oil and Marvel Mist Oil, all the things we put in to try and free it up. So I don't think it's been sitting with water, but instead of just kind of doing it in a round, I am going to pull the motor. So I'm deciding if I'm going to start that tonight, or if I'm just going to kind of enjoy tonight. You know, I just got back. I've only been back for like, I don't know, probably like an hour and a half. Whenever I got back, I instantly came out here. So yeah, I'm just deciding if I want to pull the motor out tonight or pull it tomorrow, but I'm gonna pull it out, probably just clean it, and I think I'm gonna put it back in. But say tomorrow I find out it's shot, then I think I might just take the trip up and buy the jet ski in wherever I found it. I forget where it was. New Hampshire, like Salem or something. So I'm gonna do that. See, I've got a few messages. I'll see if anyone's bored and wants to, but I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of tired. But I do want to get it done. You know, if I get the motor out tonight, that puts me an entire, like, tomorrow's just you know, I don't have the whole, sorry, there's a spider. I don't have the whole rebuild kit yet, or any of it. So basically it'd just be cleaning. So I guess there's not a whole lot I could do tomorrow. Okay, so I might just do it tomorrow. Okay, I will see you guys soon, whatever I do. Okay, well, this video is brought to you by McUltra. I think that's what we'll do, each boat video. We're just gonna sip on a different beer. And well, I looked at my stick, because I put oh yeah, I don't know if I included that in boat 1, but there's the other Audi project. If I didn't, let me know and I'll include it in 4. But yeah, the tarp, I haven't even walked over, I literally just pulled in. But oh, if my beer just tipped over, my only beer tipped over, I'd be very sad. Just the one. Not a McUltra fan. That woodchuck was better. Oh, and it stabbed a hole straight through. That's pretty funny. Yeah. Because I had the stick in there to keep it from. But no, I just tore a hole in a brand new tarp. Bought the tarp for this boat. Alright, well, there's not much. I'm just gonna play with my pool. And actually, I should fix it. If I have duct, oh, I have duct tape. Yeah, I guess I'll go through it. Okay, guys, I will see you soon. If I knew how to do a time lapse, I'd just put the camera right here. Should I try? I might try. Let me try and do time lapse. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. All right, so I want to pull the motor on the boat, but I don't want to pull it in the woods. If the TDI will hook up, I'm gonna tow the boat home. So I'm just gonna tilt you guys down, and I mean, the problem is it's a 1 in. So it's gonna be sketchy because I think the boat's a 2-inch ball, but this is a 1 7/8, and the TDI sits like. We'll see. I don't think it's gonna be high enough, but if it's high enough, we're gonna tow it. All right, let me back the TDI, or let me put this in and back the TDI up. There's a saying, just stop when it sounds expensive. Damn it. Hold on. This one's gonna be the charm, guys. Just gave it a little bit of clutch. Oh my god. I can't believe I might actually do this. Like, this is really bad. Oh, guys. This is, the boat's already pointing down, and it's not even close to the hitch. Oh my god. I hope my mom's not watching this one. Hope she's not watching any of them, but especially this. I don't think it's set in there right. Oh my god. I can't believe I might do this. I'll tell you, this is sketchy. This is the sketchiest one. I'm gonna give it a test. If it can pick up the car, it's good. All right, well, other than lights, I think this is completely legal. Oh, this. Alright, well, I guess I gotta connect the, let me connect all this and we'll see how it goes. I can't believe I might be doing this. Look at it. Just look how low to the ground. Oh, the worst part is it's literally off-road. And if I can make it to the road, we're good. I can't believe I'm gonna tow it. Like, as I'm about to leave it, it's getting kind of sketchy. I'm worried about it just bottoming out. I don't know. I guess we're gonna send it, because like I said, it's all like off-road to get out of here, and the truck slid, pulling it in the one spot. So like, this is gonna get sketchy real quick, boys and girls, and everyone else. I'll see how it does. Let me just try backing it up quick. If it can't even... Oh, there's a wheel chuck? Hold on. All right, I guess we're gonna send it. I can't, hold on, safety first, sorry guys. Oh my God. And I don't even know. I don't know if I go this way and cut it hard or if I go that way. Cause it's gonna bottom out. Oh my God. It's gonna be really funny when Mark's down here with the truck and he's like, what? He's gonna be like, you know, you could have used the truck. I'll be like, thanks for telling me now. I'll tell you, it's much easier driving through trees with a car than a truck though, with the trailer. I wish you, the boat's off-roading. It's pushing us down the hill. Oh, and just so you guys know, when I'm saying we're going off-roading, this is literally just this little woods trail that we're going down. The boat's up on the trail. This is so bad. This is this part where it gets really sketchy, the wood pile. Oh, that was oil pan. All right, I just gotta go, otherwise we won't have momentum. Oh my God. This thing pulls like a fucking champ. Oh, so close on the wood pile. This thing pulls like a fucking champ. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go because this is where it gets really ruddy. And yeah, you can see it's bad. It doesn't look bad, but like, I'm gonna lose an oil pan if I'm not careful up here. So I'll see you guys either on the road or when I'm back. Oh my God, guys, like, in case you guys think I'm joking about the TDI pulling the boat, there's no tricks here. We're just pulling a boat with the TDI. Hold on, wait until we don't go downhill and let's see if it'll pull. Wow, it got really dusty. Third, yeah, ready guys? It's literally not any slower. It has a whole boat and it's not any slower. This thing literally barely, braking, you can tell like corners and stuff, but honestly like going forward, like doesn't change, it doesn't bounce at all. I thought it was gone for a second. I looked, I was like, but yeah, so I mean, honestly, this thing doesn't really know. We're not going that far, but it's just so funny that I can move the boat around with the TDI. Like this TDI has moved my snowmobile, jet ski, which I don't have, the quad, I still have that, and now a boat. I mean, it's moved pallets, it's like I have a little trailer for it, but like this is the most it's moved easily. It's like a 1,200 pound boat, 500 pound trailer, and it doesn't notice. The hitch said 3,500 pounds, so I was like, it's good, it's good. It's screwed into my spare tire holder, in case you're wondering. But yeah, so part 3 of the boat build is going well. Gotta go wash my hands, maybe find some food, because now that I'm home, oh, delicious food once again. But all right, I gotta continue my driving, because these roads are real curvy. All right, look who we've acquired, a Jake again. So Jake's now hopped on board. Hold on, it's really bright in here. We're back at the old shop. We're gonna just grab some tools and yeah, take apart. He's gonna start on the carbs, separate the carbs so we can just leave them in there. And I'm going to use my best guess to try and get the motor, the bolts that hold the motor in.
What the fuck are you gonna use a wrench for?
Wait. That's a good point. No, that's not.
Okay.
15, 16.
Where are the Allens? Allen, where are you?
Down there.
Allen?
Down. Yep, I go down, you open it more. Stop, also stop.
I'm gonna cream. I'm not a squirter, I cream. This might work. Allen?
That's my ratchet.
Allen.
This is my extension too.
Right, I'll take the old snap, the old faithful snappy.
Yeah, we got the old snappy.
Allen?
Shh. Alan's gonna hear you.
Allen!
I wonder if I didn't turn it on because he just walked up front. Oh my God, it just whites out the camera.
Ow.
All right, we will see you guys briefly.
Dude, I thought that was a